Alright, this is the second section of 1-2 talking about the quartiles. Some definitions to start out. The range is the difference between the largest and the smallest. The pth percentile is when the value such that p% of the values fall at or below the number. And the quartiles are the 25th percentile is the first quartile, and the third quartile is the 75th percentile. Okay, so our first question is, we're given 10 numbers for cars, and they want us to find Q1, Q3, and the median. Well, the median we've already figured out how to find. All we have to do is cancel all these numbers out. And we get left with 2 in the middle, so 35 plus 37 divided by 2 is the median, which is 36. Okay, now in order to find Q1 and Q3, I'm going to split this up into half. So right there is where we had the median. And in order to find Q1, I'm going to cancel out the numbers on this side, and we got Q1 equals 26. For Q3, I'm going to take the higher numbers past this area and cross out the largest and the smallest till I get the quartile of 38. So for Q1, that's basically the median of the bottom half, and for Q3, that's the median of the top half. Along with the fact that the minimum was 23 and the maximum was 99, these 5 numbers are our 5-number summary. So we're going to make a box plot, and I've put some from a 5-number summary up here. And so we'll do, this is 60, 70, 80, and 90, just so we have our scale. And so what we're going to do is we're going to make a box from 70 to 80. This is Q1, and this is Q3. And right in the middle at 75 we have our median. Now the max is 85, so I come over here to about 85, and this is my max. And make a whisker out here to 60 for the min. So we have a box from Q1 to Q3 with the median in the middle, a minimum and a maximum, and that's our 5-number summary. Okay, so we need to also, when we do a box plot, we need to check for outliers. And there's a rule called the 1.5 times the IQR. Now the IQR, which stands for interquartile range, is simply the biggest number, or the Q3 minus Q1, which is 12. This equals the IQR. Now if I multiply that by 1.5, and I get a number of 18, that's how far away from Q1 and Q3 outliers can be. So when I do Q1 minus the 1.5 times the IQR, which is 26 minus 18, I get a number of 8. This is lower than my minimum, so 23 is not an outlier. If I do Q3 plus 1.5 times the IQR, and I get 38 plus 18, which equals 56, that means that 99, since it is bigger and farther away, is an outlier. So outliers can be big, too big, or outliers can be too small. In this case, it's too big. It's possible that there will be more than one, but when we look at our data, there wasn't another number above 56 for for the IQR to be an outlier. So we have our same information from before, but this time we're going to show the box plot. So the median was 36, Q1 was 26, Q3 was 38, and so down here let's go 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 26 to 38 is my box with the median at 36, which is closer to 38. And then this goes down to 23, so just a little bit of a whisper over here. And then my outlier over here is 99. My next number, which would be not necessarily my maximum, but my maximum for the leaf part would be 40. So we got this part to show the box and whisker, and this to show the outlier, and this is my modified box plot. And that's all for this lesson.